In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize WooCommerce products with forms in WordPress. This is a handy skill for anyone wanting to enhance their e-commerce store with customized product options. So, let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, we'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the platform where you'll manage your website. Open your browser and type in wordpress.com. Once the page loads, if you haven't done so already, it's time to log in. You'll find the Login button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged into your WordPress account, your next step is to navigate to your dashboard. This is your central hub for making changes and managing different aspects of your site. You can access the dashboard by clicking on the link directly from the WordPress homepage, or by following the navigation menu. Once you're comfortably situated in your dashboard, it's time to install the necessary plugin. Navigate to the Plugins section, which you'll find in the sidebar menu. Click on it, and then select the option to Add New. This page is where you'll find a range of plugins designed to extend and enhance the functionality of your website. For today's task, we're going to search for a specific plugin called Forminator. Forminator is a powerful tool that allows you to create forms that can be used for customizing WooCommerce products. In the search bar located in the Plugins page, type in Forminator and press Enter. When you see Forminator forms appear in the search results, click on it. You'll see a button labeled Install Now. Go ahead and click on that. And after the installation completes, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Click Activate to ensure the plugin is ready to use. Activation is crucial as it integrates the plugin functions into your website seamlessly. You've now installed and activated Forminator, setting the stage for creating custom forms for your WooCommerce products. From this point, you can explore Forminator's features to customize your products, run surveys, create polls, lead captures, and more. By following these steps, you have added a dynamic layer to your WooCommerce platform that will surely enhance the customer experience and potentially increase your sales. Be sure to take some time to explore all that Forminator and WooCommerce together can do for your business. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to make your WordPress website stand out.